Okay, class, so here's a little bit of help with your homework. So question number 34, we have to get rid of the denominators. We're looking at an LCM of 3, 6, must be what? Oh, don't forget, this is a fraction, so we're looking at a denominator of 1. Doesn't change anything for us. The focus is on the 3 or the 6. The LCM is the 6. Now, hopefully with what I did with the 7, the trick is for this one, two parts, brackets. That's right, you got to have brackety brackets around those. And when you're multiplying this by 6 and this one by 6, you also have to multiply this one by 6. So those are two hints big time right there. Brackets around these guys, and don't forget to multiply the 7 as well. Do that and you should be good. But since it was yesterday, since you did work, I will go a little bit further with this one. 6's cancels to a 3. Sorry, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 6 is 1. You still got to be careful of the sign. You're lucky because it's positive, so you can't screw it up. But you got to remember that you got to include that sign. And that's why often I will do this, just in case that happens to be a negative sign. Don't forget that multiplication. Okay, so you multiply in 2x minus 2 plus x plus 2. So don't forget you are technically multiplying in here as well. It's just that it's a positive sign, so nothing changes. There you go. You should be able to solve the rest. Okay, so here's question number 36. So we're looking to get rid of a fraction. 4 and 3, the LCM would be 12. So multiply by 12, this can be 12. No, I'm writing at the front. You could write at the back if you want. Don't forget, right here, boom, boom, that's got to be multiplied by 12 also. So then you're looking to cancel out. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you're left with 3 times 2n plus 10. So yes, you've got to have brackets there. Without brackets, you won't get this question right. And so it's going to be minus 4n equals 12. And so then you multiply in, whoops, 3 times 2 is 6n plus 30 minus 4n equals 12, and you're on your way. Okay, so you got to remember brackets, and brackets right here, and then also multiplying by your whole number because all terms have to multiply by 12. Just remember, that's kind of like 2n plus 10 over 4 minus n over 3 equals 1. You're multiplying the whole thing by 12, and that's why it stays equal. So all the terms. This right here is one complete term. Okay, a little bit odd, but that's what it is. Okay, so we're going to do the check. So for the check for this one, I believe I got x equals negative 9. So I'll substitute in and of course use brackety brackets. So 2 times negative 9. And your brackets really help you show that that's a multiplication and don't write 2 minus 9 because then you'll change multiplication into a subtraction and get it wrong. So going back, use brackets to separate them and keep things mathematically correct. Minus negative 9 divided by 3 equals 1. Great wall of check. Gaboom. So we get negative 18 plus 10 over 4. And what does this work out to be? Well, it's minus negative 3 because when you divide negative 9 divided by 3, that equals negative 3. What happens with the double signs? That turns into positive 3. And so then 18 plus 10 would be 8 over 4, which plus 3. 8 divided by 4 is, sorry, that's negative 8 over 4, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3, 1, 1, 1. Left side equals right side. Boom, done. Okay, so 38, this one's kind of straightforward. What's the LCM? Looking at your denominators, 3 and 5. What's the denominator underneath the 4? You're right, it's a 1. So our LCM equals 15. Multiplying everything by 15, including the 4. Don't forget brackety brackets. So you can write 15 at the front or 15 at the back. It doesn't matter. 15 times 4, I believe, is 60. This cancels. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we get 5 times x plus 1. Plus, this would be x plus 5 times 3. And if you want to write the front, awesome. It doesn't matter. So when you multiply in 5x plus 5. Here, 3x plus 15. Okay. Again, you can multiply the 3 by the front if you want. That's fine too. You'll still get the exact same answer. Wait, so very similar question to the previous ones that we did. So hopefully you got this one, or maybe you just made a mistake with your signs or multiplying. 3 and 7, LCM is 21. Again, you gotta have brackety brackets. So multiply by 21, multiply by 21. Oh, what did I forget to do? Yeah, this one as well. Got to multiply by 21. So this becomes a 7. We get 7 times x plus 1. This becomes a 3, and we can get plus 3 times x minus 2 equals 21. Multiply in, collect like terms, away you go. Hope this helped.